Today I wanted to share with you how I do this unbelievable transformation in 5 minutes. This is what I look like this morning. I haven't colored my hair probably in about a month. Haven't washed my face, and obviously I don't have any makeup on. On my channel, I like to share real women beauty issues. You know, most of us don't wake up and look like a beauty queen. I know I surely don't look like a beauty queen when I wake up. And I'm not saying it's a negative thing if we don't feel like coloring our hair, or maybe we don't feel like wearing makeup, but for me, I do feel a little more put together, a little more polished when I don't have, you know, gray roots sticking out, when I do have a little bit of makeup on, and of course when I do my skincare and my sunscreen every day. But you know, it is what it is. I have gray hair, I have hyperpigmentation and melasma on my face, I still have acne at 50 years old, so I do enjoy, of course, my skincare, and I do enjoy putting on makeup. In real time, it didn't take 5 or 10 minutes to do this whole transformation. I just sped the video up to show everything I did. In real time, I would say all of this took probably about 2 hours, since I had to start from this to turn myself into this. I will also link all of the products that I use in this video. I'll make sure I list all of them in the description box if you're interested in checking them out. So let's jump on in, and I'm going to show you how I transform from this to this.